In this video, we're going to learn some important terms and concepts you'll need to understand before you can start designing and building databases with Access. In Excel, we talk about tables in terms of vertical columns and horizontal rows. However, in Access, we don't use these terms. Instead, we describe tables as having fields and records. Rows are called records because in Access, all of the information on a row belongs together. Since this is a table of people, each row is a record of an individual person. We call columns fields because each field has the same kind of information. Each record is the combination of all of the fields in a table. The next concept you need to understand is the primary key. Each table in Access has one field that's designated as the primary key field. The purpose of this field is to give each record a unique identifier. Pretend you're an administrator at a large company and you want to look up an employee named Michael Smith. Since this is such a common name, there may be more than one Michael Smith who works at the company. To make sure you find the Michael Smith you want, you could search for his employee ID number, which is a primary key. Even though two employees may have the same name, each employee ID is unique. Here we have a table of people and a table with their phone numbers. One field on each of these tables is the primary key. As you can see, neither of the primary key fields have any repeated values. It's essential for each primary key to be unique. The phone table has a field that looks similar to the primary key field of the people table. This is called a foreign key. Notice that each number in this foreign key field corresponds to a primary key in this field. This is how Access creates relationships. In this case, the tables are related by the person ID fields. This kind of relationship between tables is called a one-to-many relationship. That's because even though each phone number can belong to only one person, each person can have many phone numbers. We've just learned about fields and records, primary and foreign keys, and one-to-many relationships. These concepts will be your foundation as you learn to create Access databases.